Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the faster respawn upgrade works in the brand new Wasp event inside Garden BZB update part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. So basically during the Wasp event, your beast can actually get defeated while fighting the Wasp and also the Wasp King. When that happens, your bee go into a respawn cooldown and disappear for a short time. And this is where the faster respawn upgrade becomes very useful. First, you can go to this upgrade tree and I'm going to open it and I'm going to open up the combat. Okay, and the higher your faster respawn level is, the quicker your beasts come back into the battle. And honestly, this upgrade is extremely important during the Wasp King fight because losing all your beasts can make the fight much harder. To upgrade it, just click on the faster respawn. I've already upgraded until level 2. And for the next level, I need 1.8k honey coins. The more you upgrade it, the less downtime your bees will have after getting defeated. So if your bee army keeps disappearing during fights, this upgrade is definitely worth getting. I'm going to upgrade it to the level 3. Okay, and for the next level, I need 5k honey coins. Okay guys, and that's how the faster respawn upgrade works in Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!